Hi, good morning, good afternoon, or whatever time it is right now at your place. Welcome back to my channel. This is Neerja, and I am a behavioral skills trainer. But on this channel, we talk about various topics. And today's topic is so interesting, and I am pretty sure that if you've clicked on this video, you need to watch this video till the end. Before we talk about how to let go of this worrying or constant stress and anxiety, I just want you to understand the chemistry behind it, chemistry of our brain or neuroscience behind it. Okay, who is the main culprit here, and why do we experience anxiety or stress? Now you need to be very, very particular about what type of activities you are being indulged in on a daily basis, because it definitely impacts your brain and your cortisol levels. So I will first start by telling you कि आपके दिमाग में, like, what are the parts of your brain which are involved into making you anxious and worry about different things in life. So let us start with the first one. In your brain, there is one thing, almond shaped part of or structure of your brain, which is called amygdala. Now many of us, we have heard कि एक flight and fight response होता है हमारे लिए whenever something unusual happens in our life. So something that you are not familiar with, right? So when that unusual thing is happening for you, that amygdala gets activated and it triggers your brain and it gives your body a signal to either fight what is in front of you or flight. Now let us take a very basic example. Okay, we'll take two examples to differentiate most of the times ki stimulus can be either real or fake. Let's say ki there is a lion in front of me and my amygdala is going to signal ki okay, this is not good for me and lion can eat me, so it will activate these two responses, which is I either fight with the lion or I run away from that particular place. Right now, in this situation, my body is also going to activate one more part of my brain, which is prefrontal cortex, and it is the front part of our brain. So the prefrontal cortex gives you the rationale behind taking a decision. Okay, it helps you in taking decisions in life on a daily basis. So in this situation, when there is a lion in front of me, if I am a fool and if I really want to show ki okay, I am stronger than the lion, then my brain might give me a signal ki okay, you can go and fight the lion. But if I am an intelligent person, which is ki I know that I am not stronger than the lion and lion can eat me and I will die, so of course my brain will give me a signal to run away from that particular spot. Now this was a hypothetical example, or this can be a real life situation as well. But now let us talk about कि on a daily basis lion से तो हमारा मुकाबला नहीं होता. So lion comes in different forms in our life. This lion can be a presentation, a public speaking activity. You have to have a difficult conversation with someone, your boss, your spouse, or anyone. So this lion takes form of different activities in our day-to-day lives. So this is what I want you to understand कि ये lion जो है ना, when it activates, and most of the times when this type of situations come in front of us, which are very super scary, and we feel like कि, oh, I don't know what to do in this scenario, that is where our brain or our whole day gets ruined. Okay, so we start being anxious about these things. I need you to understand that these are the two parts of our brain, amygdala and prefrontal cortex, which are involved in giving us a reasoning and helping us out figure ki, is this even a real threat or perceived threat. So our ability to differentiate between perceived threat and actual threat, it matters quite a lot, because on a daily basis, whatever is happening in our lives, most of the times, I'm not saying ki always, but most of the times it is just perceived threat, and that is how it is being manifested in our real lives. And when I say manifested in real life, it is simply because whatever you are thinking for a very, very long time and constantly, it will definitely manifest in your life. Once you figure out ki, okay, which parts of our brain are involved in making us anxious, then I want you to focus on the types of chemicals which are involved in making you anxious. Number one is serotonin. Serotonin hormone, again, it helps you to boost your mood, to help you figure out ki, okay, your mood is light, your life is going very fine. And another one is dopamine, that everybody knows about. Dopamine releases when you involve yourself in recreational activities or something that you really love, and serotonin happens when you are automatically feeling happy about life that you are living right now. Okay, and then there is GABA. GABA is an inhibitor neurotransmitter. तो ये क्या करता है, जैसे मेरे सामने शेर आया और मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा धक धक होने लग गई मेरे दिल में, एंड मैं वहाँ से भाग गई. ठीक है, तो भागने के बाद जो मेरा हार्ट है वो जब कम करेगा बीट करना, सो ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम गाबा इज द वन ट्रांसमीटर विच विल बी इन्वॉल्व इन इनहिबिटिंग दैट पर्टिकुलर एक्शन. तो वो इनहिबिशन में वो गाबा इन्वॉल्व होगा, ठीक है. सो दिस इज वन थिंग. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, व्हेन एवर सेरोटोनिन का लेवल और डोपामिन का लेवल नीचे होता है, हमारी एंग्जाइटी और स्ट्रेस हाई होता है. एंड सेम गोज फॉर गाबा एज वेल. अगर गाबा प्रोड्यूस नहीं हो रहा है ब्रेन में ड्यू टू एनी XYZ रीजन, एंड इट विल नॉट बी एबल टू इनहिबिट द रिएक्शन विच इज हैपनिंग, राइट. तीनों का लेवल जब डाउन हो जाता है, दैट इज हाउ एंड व्हेन वी एक्सपीरियंस स्ट्रेस एंड एंग्जाइटी इन लाइफ. Once you figure out this chemistry, once you figure out ki how to take care of your serotonin levels, dopamine levels, that is how and when you realize ki I can let go of my worrying and anxiety. Okay, now you have figured out what are the chemicals which are involved in making us worry about different things in our life on a daily basis. Now let us figure out ki how can we not worry in our lives. When I say not worry in lives, मैंने इतनी गाथा आपको क्यों सुनाई है अबाउट दीज केमिकल्स एंड अबाउट व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इनसाइड ऑफ योर ब्रेन और द स्ट्रक्चर विच आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग इज क्योंकि वी आर ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट रिवर्स द सिम्टम्स और द होल साइकिल. क्योंकि प्रोडक्शन कम है तो वी हैव टू इंक्रीज द प्रोडक्शन, ठीक है. प्रोडक्शन कम होने की वजह से कॉर्टिसोल हार्मोन वाज बीइंग डेवलप्ड और बीइंग प्रोड्यूस्ड इन आवर बॉडी. तो कॉर्टिसोल जब स्पाइक हो रहा है, नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वेज टू नॉट let our cortisol spike in our body. वो कैसे होगा? We will figure it out. Serotonin की अगर हम बात करें और dopamine की हम बात करें, these two neurotransmitters are produced when we indulge into recreational activities. What do I mean by recreational activities is when you do things that make you happy. For example, if I talk about myself, I love to read sometimes, I love to write down things, I love to lift weights, I love to dance. तो जब भी कभी I am sad, my go-to movements or I indulge myself, my body into movement. So it could be either via dancing, via weightlifting, via taking a jog or going out for some time, like changing the environment around me. Okay, so these are few activities which can help me to distract from the constant stress or worry that I have been experiencing in my life. This is one thing. जब भी कभी we our heart rate increases by doing these recreational activities, we automatically produce or boost the production of serotonin and dopamine. And then जब इन दोनों ट्रांसमीटर्स का प्रोडक्शन इंक्रीज होता है तो जो कॉर्टिसोल हार्मोन है इसका डाउन हो जाता है, राइट. सो दिस इज हाउ इट वर्क्स एंड फंक्शंस इन आवर ब्रेन. सो वी नीड टू फिगर आउट कि यू नीड टू फिगर आउट कि कौन सी ऐसी एक्टिविटीज है जिससे यू फील लाइट, यू फील गुड अबाउट योर सेल्फ. So indulge yourself, and this is the only method. This is the only method. And second is train your brain that you are not dying. जब वो कांस्टेंट स्पाइरल में आवर ब्रेन इज वर्किंग कि भाई पता नहीं क्या हो गया हमारी लाइफ में एंड आई एम अबाउट टू डाई, ये वाला जो सिग्नल जब जाता है ना ब्रेन को, दैट इज हाउ वी फक अप और वी मेस अप विद आवर लाइफ. ओके, दिस इज हाउ वी रूइन आवर डेज इन अ रो. सो दिस इज समथिंग दैट वी नीड टू फिगर आउट. वी नीड टू ट्रेन आवर ब्रेन ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग. ये डिफिकल्ट सिर्फ तब तक ही लगता है व्हेन यू आर नॉट आउट ऑफ योर बेड. जब बेड पे पड़े पड़े लाइक वी कीप ऑन थिंकिंग अबाउट द स्टफ विच इज हैपनिंग इन आवर सराउंडिंग्स, ऑफ कोर्स योर डे इज बीइंग रूइंड. ओके, but it just takes some small amount of courage, small pinch of courage, or I can say small pinch of discomfort to get up from your bed and then do whatever the hell is required to be done. So this is what I wanted to tell you in this video today. And now let us talk about my own life. I love to share my experiences. So in the month of July, in first week of July, I was so worried about XYZ things. When I say XYZ, so mainly people of my age are mostly worried about three things, I guess. Number one is their health, body, or whatever is happening internally or externally with our body. Number two is career and finances, and number three is your relationships with family, with whosoever you are dating or involved with. Now these were three reasons, or I can say it was an amalgamation of everything including these three aspects of my life, and I was so worried in the month of July in first week. And during that time I was like not even able to move properly, and constantly ये चीज़ें मुझे ना अंदर से ही इतना ज़्यादा परेशान कर रही थी कि I was like कि क्या करूँ मैं कि मैं इस चीज़ से निकलूँ. एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड रिसर्चिंग अबाउट इट. थोड़ा बहुत मैंने इधर उधर पढ़ा गूगल पे, लाइक व्हाट इज हैपनिंग विद मी एंड एवरीथिंग. Then I figured out कि okay, these are just the hormones which are messing up with my brain. And I tried to figure out कि कौन सी चीज़ें perceived threats हैं और कौन सी चीज़ें जो है actual threat है, right? It is actual. In actual, I have to take action towards that particular stress or thing which is making me worry about my life. Then I figured out a lot of things were just perceived threats, and I instantly switched off my brain. और एक टाइम बाद तो I got so tired of being stressed out due to these things. I was like कि this is not how I want to live my life. I think after 7th day I woke up tired of worrying. I was like कि fuck it, I will not be worried from now on. And I just let it go. I switched off my brain. And जब भी कभी मुझे bits and pieces में I try to get worried or stressed about anything in life, I remind myself कि this is just a perceived threat or this is not something real. So I try to figure out कि what is happening. And then once I switched off my brain by telling myself कि most of this is just perceived threat, I'm not going to die, that is when it became easier for me to be indulged in the recreational activities that we were talking about earlier. So I started taking steps. Initially, थोड़ा थोड़ा करके चलो ठीक है, एक आधी सॉन्ग पे डांस कर लिया, बाहर चली गई, वॉक करने के लिए चली गई शाम को, जिम चली गई, ठीक है, कुछ लिख दिया, वट एवर माई थॉट्स आर कमिंग इन हेड वो लिख दिए, नोटबुक में लिख दिए, किसी से बात कर ली. सो दिस इज हाउ आई फेल्ट गुड अबाउट माई सेल्फ. एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू दीज आर दी ओनली वेज एंड मेथड्स आउट देयर. कहीं पे भी वट एवर आर्टिकल यू सर्च, दीज आर दी ओनली मेथड्स दैट यू गोना फाइंड. एंड दिस इज इट. लाइफ में बहुत ही इस तरीके की सिनेरियोज में बहुत ही लिमिटेड चीज़ें होती हैं. यही सेम स्टेप्स वी हैव टू फॉलो, ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ अस वी हैव टू फॉलो. आई माइट बी मिसिंग on any unique experience that you might have had in your life, so you are very welcome to share it in the comment section and let me know what is it, and stop worrying please. And last thing in this video I want to discuss about is being grateful helps you quite a lot. I mean, every single day in different parts of the life or whatever you are doing, you just have to be grateful for a few minutes. You have to think about it ki you have so many things. Like if you're watching this video, you have a phone. If you are sitting in your office, you have a job. If you are sitting at your home, you have a roof over your head. So इस तरीके की छोटी छोटी चीज़ें, these we need to be grateful for this. क्योंकि जिस तरीके से we are practicing gratitude और जिस तरीके से we are trying to thank God and universe for it, our brain calms down. Our brain thinks कि okay, we are safe. So this is how it is going to help you come out of the loop or the circles that we are in. So that's it for today's video, everyone. I hope it was helpful for you. And like my video, share it, subscribe my channel. I'll see you in next video. Bye bye.